Good evening, UPCSI. My name is Nicole Benicpedia, currently a member of our organization's publicity committee and now running as the publicity committee head. The UPCSI's publicity committee is responsible for the creation of promotional materials and the advertising of our organization. Since its establishment, members of the committee have proven their skills and succeeded in showing CSI's branding. Should I win the elections? Next. Back. Should I win the elections, my main goal would be to instill the organization's branding to computer science students and ideally beyond that as well, with the help of a skillful and well-coordinated publicity team. With this goal in mind, I have created my general plan of action. First, notable CSI branding. I aim to make CSI's branding memorable and distinguishable while keeping it simple, consistent, and professional. Next, improve org publicity, where I aim for the organization's publicity to reach more of its target audience through aesthetically pleasing formats together with the org's interesting and fun events. And last but not the least, committee and core inclusion. I aim to produce a publicity team with open communication and effective working relationships where everyone would be able to contribute to the organization. In line with this, PubMats for the core would also be created, such as posters for GAs, announcements, and the like, to let every member get used to our org's branding. To help achieve these objectives, I aim to accomplish different plans and projects specified in my specific plan of action. First, CSI facts where infographics containing facts about UPCSI would be posted to our Facebook group. Next, org publicity where I plan to not only release PubMats online, but also through printed posters and other possible physical PubMats. Additionally, a target number of shares would be set for every PubMat, and room-to-room announcements would be done if needed. Third, the UPCSI website. For this, I propose that the publicity committee would take charge of the front end, such as creation of the layout and the design. Fourth, the creation of an organizational chart that would depict an in-depth explanation of the organization's processes, protocols, and committee roles. In addition to that would be, fifth, to create a general UPCSI ID to lessen the expenses during events. Next, I propose a protocol revision for the publicity committee that would ideally increase the speed and efficiency of the team. I also plan to have a publicity committee workshop to sharpen the skills and boost the creativity of each member as we master our branding. Of course, this workshop would be open to the whole core to comply with our vision, which is to develop well-rounded DCS units. Furthermore, I aim to have a more involved publicity team by having an equal distribution of tasks to give everyone a chance to exhibit their skills. I also plan to create a well-coordinated and hopefully a close-knit team through conducting regular meetings. And lastly, current ongoing projects such as HeyTech, Feature Me, I Exist, and the org photoshoot would also be carried over onto the next term, as well as the committee's transparency, where all publicity materials would be accessible to the core through our Google Drive. These projects, along with my availability, dedication, and commitment to UPCSI, are what I could offer for the organization for the next term. Once again, I am Nicole Benicpedia for UPCSI's Publicity Committee. Thank you.